Welcome to the Elegoo bed leveling FailSafe video for when I forget. This printer uses a magnetic sensor and it should be aligned vertically with the print head so that it reads correctly. I am going to preheat my printer and remove extra plastic from the nozzle. Once you enter the leveling section, the dialog will have a up and down arrows for you to move the Z offset. You will want to use the up and down arrows to only move the nozzle. You will want the minimum offset where the paper bows when pushed and does not distort the rest of the paper when pulled. During this process, you do not want to touch the knobs at the bottom for height adjustments. The auxiliary level is for print beds that have never been leveled before. They use the same technique for paper, where if you push and it bows, that's good, and if you pull and it does not distort the rest of the paper, that is also good. If you are having problems where you level a corner, you press the home, and then you go back to that corner, and the paper is not acting correctly, your Z offset is incorrect. The next step is the automatic leveling, and it takes longer than you think it should, and you don't know how to fix that yet. And I double check it, and it's not perfect, and that's okay. Some materials are good when the nozzle is closer, and some are better when it's a little further away. I wanted to make interacting with my printer a little bit better. Every time I unplug it, it changes its IP, so I decided to use my knowledge of mulicast DNS and give it a permanent name. We enter the PI through SSH using the default root and maker base for the MKS PIs. You may have to run a apt update, but we're only going to install one package, and that package is avahi-daemon. Then to test it, I'm going to exit the SSH and reinitiate it using the mkspy.local. The mulicast DNS does not cause a problem with the Moonraker, so all you have to do is plug it in there, as I'm showing here, mkspy.local / you can also pull it up on your browser, mkspy.local,